possible and real, not really a possible, but a real theater for misuse by criminals to endanger public safety and security.
Thirikari kugerera wabici ya kugitira data ni makinyeire TikTok na kumoria mekire mitaratara iria ikugitira maundu ma andu na kumahe gitio maheane uhoro guku makirora miaka na kuhitha uhoro uria ungikorwo wa guthukangia na marumirire mawatho na mitaratara.
Law, which is the Data Protection Act of 2019, as supplemented by the Data Protection Regulations, require data controllers and data processors, including now TikTok, because TikTok falls in the category of data controllers and data processors. They are required under the laws of our country to comply with various compliance obligations under the Data Protection Act and the Data Protection Regulations. The compliance requirements include implementing data protection deliberately. And this includes implementing the data protection principles in an effective manner, integrating and implementing appropriate technical and organizational measures to protect personal data and register, and they are also required to register as data controllers or data processors with the Office of the Data Protection Commissioner.
Girifotera Muthingi TV, Geto wa Gishi wa Wachira.